So these are all the tools you're going to need: a 10mm socket, T20 Torx, 3, 4, and 6mm Allen keys, and a flathead screwdriver. So here's the NRC tail tidy kit. This is what comes in the box. That's the signal section. That's the license plate mount with the LED lights on it, and the hardware that comes along with it. So with the NRC tail tidy kit, you have 2 positions for your license plate bracket. As you see, there's 2 holes here and 2 holes in the back. If you want it to sit at the backmost position, it's the top holes, and if you want it tucked, it goes like this, so it sits like this on the bike. You got to figure that out before you actually install the tail section on the bike. So we start off by taking the bolts out. The instruction says 4 Torx bolts. They're T20s. There's 1 here, 2nd, 3rd, and the 4th one. 2 of them are beside the signals, 4 of them are in the center. Once you remove these, we're going to be able to have access to the connectors. So there we go. That front bolt takes the complete thing off. These are the connectors that we want to get to. The connector for the signals and the connector for the plate light. Press in the little tab, pull it out, and then this is for the plate light. And then we're just using a flathead to get this connector. 2 Allen bolts here and 2 under the rear seat. So we'll first take these ones out. It's a 4mm Allen. It removes the tail. So to take this seat out, all we got to do is pop your key in there, turn it, and pull this forward. We need to access these 2 Allen bolts that are here. Those are probably a different size than what's down there, but find that out right now. Using the 6mm Allen. Once you remove the bolts, if you just wiggle it down, we're going to reuse these connectors. Using a pair of side cutters, just cut this piece off. There you go. And then just pull the stock connectors out. There you go. So this is all the hardware that you get on in the kit. We're going to grab these. These are for the standard plate mount position. We're just going to block these with this so it looks nice and tidy. Slide them right in like that. And then you want to prepare this before you actually put it on the bike and connect everything, just to make sure that we got enough room to play with. So we're going to grab these, the M5x16 bolts. So remember what I said about these being for the tucked one? You have to rewind a little bit. It's actually the short bolts that are for the tucked ones. These ones that you see that are countersunk, these are the ones that hold the whole thing back on the bikes. Make sure don't forget the nylon washers in between. And again, for the tucked position, use these short little bolts. Hold them in place. The nuts have the locking side, so the locking side faces down. And I want to Loctite these on. They say to use blue, but I'm just going to use red on these. These nuts over here are 10mm, and you also probably want to fix the plate mounts before you tighten them down. This moves around, so I just want to make sure that it's nice and straight. These are 4mm Allens, so I'm just going to try to carefully tighten this without moving the plate. There we go. Hand tight, snug. So now that looks nice and straight. Because of the nylon washers that we have behind there, this plays around a little bit, so just pay attention. You don't want it to look crooked on the bike after you put it on. So if you look at the wiring, they're marked SX and DX. SX is left, DX is right. So just grab this one, this is left. Oh, there you go. Beauty of this thing is it's all plug and play, so it makes it really easy. And then plug your signal light as well. That's fairly easy, that's just white on white. And there we go, we're set. You probably want to test out at this point just to make sure that you got the size right. That's right signal, left signal, and there you go. And the plate light's coming on too, so that's good. So now comes the fun part. We got to tuck in all this wiring into the tail section here. So it goes in, there's a lot of room in there. Just got to make sure that you don't pinch any of the wires. The tricky bit is the plate light wiring. Just make sure that it goes in the center of these two bolts. All we got to do is put these holes in. So I'm going to put a little bit of Loctite, just one little touch. Remember, it's the countersunk screws that we got to use. Again, these are pretty small screws, so you first want to make sure that you got it in. Hand thread them in first. Don't try to use the Allen head to do it first, because you might strip them easily. You got to use a 3mm Allen head to get this on. There we go. So I got to show you this little piece over here. This is one of the little fittings that came. There's a hole under here, just to complete the look. Just press that in, and there you go. Right signal, left signal, 4 ways.